Hello everyone, I'm Ken with TestOut, and this video was part of our Blackboard Ultra LTI integration series. In particular, this video will cover installing and configuring TestOut as an external tool provider within Blackboard Ultra. I'm logged into Blackboard Ultra, and I'm already navigated to Admin and into LTI tool providers. You can see a list of tool providers previously configured. You'd want to click on Register Provider Domain, at which point you'd satisfy a number of fields. Now if I may, I'm going to click Cancel, and I'm going to edit a previously existing tool provider. You can see it's named www.testout.com, and that is the provider domain. The provider status is set to be approved, and as I scroll down to default configuration, you can see I have Set Globally chosen. You'll enter your tool provider key and also your tool provider secret. And there are two LTI custom parameters that I'd like you to enter within the custom parameters field. LabSim _allow _outcomes equal true will enable scores to be returned from your student accounts into the Blackboard gradebook from, of course, their LabSim course. Also, you have LabSim _class _ID equals @context _title. This will take the Blackboard course name. That course name will be utilized as a class name with the instructor LabSim account. As they click on an assignment link within their Blackboard course, the Blackboard course name is sent into our database, the TestOut database, and used for that class name, again, within that instructor account. As I scroll down a little further, within institution policies, send user data, generally that's send over any connection. User fields to send, all of them are checked, and then yes, set to allow membership service access. You'll click Submit. For my purposes, I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel. Okay, so there's the first step that you'll need to configure TestOut as an external tool within your instance of Blackboard. There are two other areas that we need to check. Okay, so I'm going to close the administrator panel, and I'm going to go right back into it actually. And I'm going to scroll down and go into Tools. Now within Tools, I need to do a search. This is a pretty long list in most cases, but if I search for LTI link, you can see I have an LTI section right here. I simply want to make sure that the availability is set to on for a course tool, organization tool, and content type. We need to do a similar search and verification on the course level. So I'm going to close the administrator panel. I'm going to go into courses, and I'm going to click on one of my courses, and within this particular course, within the control panel, down under customization, I'm going to click on tool availability. Within tool availability, I need to do another search, and I can search for LTI link just like I did in the administration panel. I have just a couple of options to search through, and as I scroll down, you can see I have LTI link, and I also have LTI right here. You simply need to make sure both of these are available, as you can see they are in this instance. And this is how you configure TestOut as an external tool within your instance of Blackboard. I hope this video has been helpful. Please make it a great day, and thank you so much for watching.